Derm Nurse here. I want to tell you a little bit about VI. I want to spill the beans on why VI is probably one of the hottest treatments in my office. You know that VI can brighten the skin. See, I have a little bit of sun damage, so I'm going to be working on some of that, okay? VI can also reduce some of these lines. VI can also even out the skin tone and texture. That's what it does best. So I'm really hoping to even out some of the texture around here that I have that uneven texture. Of course, the one thing that we love the most about VI is that it can actually unclog some of those stubborn pores, especially like your nose area, your chin, and different parts around your face. We're loving VI, especially for that post-summer glow. Super quick. It only takes 30 minutes in office for me to treat you. You come in, I cleanse your skin, I wipe alcohol down on you, and then we get started. So it's very in and out, if you know what I mean. 2, minimal downtime. 3, which I think is the most important, it works on all skin types and all skin colors. 4, it helps with acne scarring, hyperpigmentation, anti-aging. I can go on and on. Honestly, it's a great multitasker. That's why I love it so much, and I hope that you understand how much I love it. Okay, so enough of that. I'm gonna get started with my pill, and I'm gonna take you on the journey. Your VI kit comes like, this is your post-procedure kit. Now, I am going to be using the cleanser to prep my skin for my VI peel. And the cleanser looks like this is the baby cleanser. Now, don't be fooled. There's a lot in here, okay? So this is gonna get you through your whole post-procedure time period, but I'm gonna use just a drop or really a dime-sized amount to kind of get me prepped. As I do this all the time in the office, I'm actually doing it at home, but you are not going to be doing this at home, okay? This will be done in a medical office. I'm in my bathroom. I'm gonna cleanse my face, and then we're gonna get started. Okay, so all clean. Ideal for ages 13 to 39. Wonderful for first-time VIers. Also really good for people with sensitive skin. So if you find that you have sensitive skin, it's a great way to kind of do your first peel and know that it's going to be okay. Don't get me wrong, if you have acne or rough texture, this is still a really good peel. You don't have to go advanced just yet, especially if this is your first time. Not only does it help with the clarity, it also helps your future skin, which to me is so fantastic, because you always want to be proactive about your skincare, and you always want your peels to be working for you in the future. Okay, so these aren't as fancy as my gloves at work. These are my kitchen gloves for when I cook, but it's gonna make it do what it do, so it's gonna be all right. Now, this is the peel prep pad that me as your practitioner would be doing on you, but you also get a few of these in you get like some towelettes inside of your kit. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're degreasing my skin here, okay? So stinks like acetone. So what we're gonna do is swipe and see, I'm taking off any and all oils from my skin because we want the VI to absorb right in there. So it might look a little ashy, and see, this is my problem area. You know, my sun damage is starting to pop through, even though I wear my sunscreen, and I have for many years, but you know, there we go. So I'm starting to look very white. There's no lipids in my skin, no oils at all. So I am ready for my VI. All right, perfect. Okay, so here's my sterile gauze. You can see that my skin's completely degreased and is kind of ready for treatment. So with the VI, which makes it so special, is that we are always going to be doing 7 layers. Yeah, 7 layers. Okay, we're gonna get started. 1, 2, 3. That's layer number 1. Okay, so as you can see, this was my first layer and it absorbs very fast. And so now we're gonna go in with my second layer. You can see my skin is starting to look a little brownish because of just the color of the VI, but there's no pain. It's a little bit of like it smells really good, but there's no pain. I'm just fanning down to help it drive into my skin. If you were to see me to do your VI, I always fan down. I just feel like it's a good way to help penetration. So I finished all 7 layers of my peel. My skin feels pretty good. I don't feel any irritation, but I do know that in 4 hours I'm going to have to wash off. That is a part of the VI protocol. So in 4 hours I have to wash off, and yeah.